Okay. Hey you guys, I'm doing a bag swap. This is the bag I'm going to swap into. This is the card holder I'm going to use. This is so cute. I got this from my bag like almost 4 or 5 years ago now. I don't have the bag, but I kept the card holder. It was so damn cute. From Walmart. And this is like a little belt bag. I've been carrying this. If you watch the first part of this video, I've been carrying this. It is a makeup bag from Dollar Tree. So I also bought this to see if it would fit in here. I don't know exactly what I would put in this. We'll see. But I have the gray, the black, and the blue in this. I didn't get the pink. And I might have the breast cancer awareness one. I think my mom bought me one. She bought all of us one. Like me and my sister. She bought all her girls one. So yeah. I have this. This is where I've been keeping like all of my cards and stuff. So I'm not gonna like open this all on camera or nothing. But like it's another makeup bag that fits into there perfectly. So this is my pocket mirror, and this is my tinted chapstick, just in case I want a little color on my lips. And I have my pepper spray and my pocket knife. I should say pocket tool, some everything on here, but I mainly carry it for the pocket knife. It has a bottle opener and stuff too. Okay, and this is a really cool pen. It's a I don't know, it's some kind of Sanrio pen. A friend gave it to me, so yeah. And then I'm pulling out my cards and my ID. So, oof, no. I'll put okay, my other cards are on the back, so I'm not going to be showing the back. But that one just says charm. And a pad. I always keep a pad. I have some receipts and some change and a peppermint. A random peppermint. This pad I need to like use and swap out already. She's been through a lot. I have a muscle ease, like a pain reliever. I have really bad back pain, and I have really bad back pain, and I had a couple surgeries on my left leg. I always have this. Always. Like, and then if you shop at Dollar General, then you know these little coupons that you be getting. They come in clutch when I need to use them. I don't always use them, but I do always keep them. I have another lip and a peppermint I'm going to toss into here. And then I have 50 pounds of change, and this is empty now. This is an application somebody gave me. This is some M&Ms. Let me say that below. These are my sunglasses, which are definitely going right in here. Okay. This is a like medicated lip balm. It is Blistex. I don't always need the medicated ones, but when I do, my oldest daughter's hair. So I have to keep a mini brush for like brushing up and touching up her hair in the mornings when we don't have time at home. I would say this is for my hair, but like I'm gonna be honest, I'll throw a headband over it and keep on going. Y'all, Advil, I ran out of my other painkiller. It was just atomecifin, like it was just a regular painkiller. I ran out and I was on my PMS and I asked my boyfriend for a painkiller. I told him I didn't get what it was. I have really bad PMSs. Not all the time, but like I have like such bad pain. I cannot be without that. I need a painkiller always. And then £1,000,000 of change. There's more change at the bottom of this. I did not know that. My lotion. This is my favorite lip gloss in terms of making your lips super glossy. I will not use this without a chapstick 9 times out of 10 because if you overdo it, it is super sticky and I hate that feeling. But I love how glossy it is. Like, it gives you that 90s gloss. And so does this. This is the lip plumper that I posted on my shorts. You guys, I have not been able to find another one. I'm so upset. I know I have like 50 million lip products, but I need that one. Like, I need it again. Hand sanitizer, I always keep. The lotion. I think I show you guys this. I'm half asleep over here, so bear with me, please. Then my card holder, which is such a cute card holder. I have another card that I need to put in here. And receipts, some tissue. Tissue has not been used, it's just some candy. Like, oh, this hair tie is so nice. I mostly use it for my daughter's hair, but I needed a hair tie in my bag, so I just chunked it in. And I know, it's a lot of stuff in this bag. Which I will actually be like rearranging and putting it in better, but yeah. Oh, there's still some change. It's a Dollar Tree receipt in my way. Okay, so it's still some change. Dollar Tree receipt. I'm always at Dollar Tree. And that can go in there. And yep. The inside of that is really kind of dirty. Wow. I did not know I had like that much stuff in there. Okay, so I didn't end up using this right now, but I probably will when I swap purses again. Write this down. Yeah, this is full, but it does fit. I could honestly fit a couple more things. Not too much, but like just like a couple more things. Okay, let me take that off. Take this off. And yes. Alright. And I'll be using this like kind of like crossbody, so I'll have it like right here, or I might put it around my waist, but right now I'm not really to find on that. So I'm gonna tighten it back up. So I can kind of carry it like this as well. But yeah, it was time. It was time for a swap. So I'll probably carry this for maybe about a week or two, and then I'll be back to swap. Alright, I hope you guys are having a great day. It is Wednesday. It's about 10:19. It's February 4th. This video will probably go up next week sometime because I have a video I'm filming for next week. I'm really trying my best to keep up with like the little film schedule I kind of gave myself. I also need to go get more shorts for the Valentine's Day stuff. The stores are moving so fast. They're already moving Valentine's Day stuff out. It's the 4th. We still have a whole 10 days. We have a whole 2 weeks. We have 10 full days to like Valentine's Day. They're moving super fast this year. I can't wait for Easter though. So you guys have a good one.